Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing the Amalfi floor plan. This is part of the executive line of homes by Lennar that you'll find at many of their Southwest Florida communities. The Amalfi here is a 2-car garage, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with a bonus room. It's going to give you over 2,500 square foot. Let's take a walk inside this beautiful floor plan by Lennar. Now, as you walk into the home here, directly to the right is going to be the formal dining room area here. Which also can be used as a flex space or a den. And as we come further into the home here from the entryway, you've got this nice open kitchen, tons of cabinet space, nice flat kitchen island here. And then you also have the eat-in kitchen area. Now this all overlooks your views as well as the pool area, and you've got this nice great room design here. Now directly off the great room, you're going to find the guest suite here. So here is your guest bedroom downstairs with a nice window space here allowing for lots of light. And this is just off the bathroom here, which is going to give you the single sink, this combination tub and shower, as well as your commode. And right here, you're going to have your entry to the garage, and you'll notice the laundry here, which comes with a full-size washer and dryer for Lennar homes. Now we're going to take a little ride up the stairs here. And as soon as we get to the top here, this is going to open up into that bonus room that I mentioned. So nice open space here. Again, lots of windows, lots of light. So this is a great separate area to enjoy your living space here. Now we're going to go take a look at the rest of the bedrooms and bathrooms. Here you do have the guest bath with the dual sinks. And then you have the combination tub, shower, and commode there. And just off of the guest bathroom here is guest bedroom number 2. And you've got guest bedroom number 3 right here next to each other. And last but not least, on the interior, you've got your master bedroom here. Nice king-size suite here. Tons of space. And you also have, directly behind me, is the master closet. Really nice size master closet here. And lastly, you have the master bath here. You've got the dual sinks. You've got the standalone shower. And then also you have the private enclosed commode room. Now last but not least here on the Amalfi is the outdoor living space. You've got a nice covered lanai, and you can also have a pool or pool and spa package with any of these Lennar floor plans at their communities. So you have the nice sliders here leading outside. Again, here's your under truss space. So plenty of room here. It goes from one side of the house here, almost extends fully over. And tons of space out here. You can see the extra space for lounge chairs. Right here we just have the pool configuration, no pool and spa, and you can see how much actual space that you have. All right, folks, so this is the Amalfi floor plan. Again, part of the executive line of homes that you'll find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida communities. If you're interested in this home or any of the other Lennar models that you might be viewing, you give us a call, contact us at all the information that you see below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.